Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic Chinese side dish, poached lettuce with garlic soy sauce. It's super simple, but absolutely delicious. Firstly, let's prepare our veggies. Here I've got some lettuce leaves. Now, the ones on the outside are darker in color, while the tender hearts in the center are much lighter. When you blanch the darker leaves, they tend to turn black. That's why when you order this dish at a restaurant, the lettuce always looks bright and vibrant green. Next, I'm slicing up the red pepper nice and thin, and chopping some fresh garlic. Toss both into a small bowl. Now, pour in a little hot oil to really bring out that aroma. Then add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar, and just half a tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good stir. And look, that's our magic blanching sauce. Super versatile and packed with flavor. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. In goes the lettuce. Be quick here. The moment those leaves turn bright green, scoop them out right away. If you leave them too long, they will go dark and soggy. Drain them well. Then lay them out neatly on a plate. The texture should be crisp and tender at the same time. And now, drizzle that fragrant sauce all over the top. Look at that! Shiny, colorful, and so inviting. Let me grab a bite. Oh wow, that crunch, that freshness. This is perfect for hot summer day when you've had too much heavy food. This dish just cuts right through. It's refreshing, light, and so satisfying. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.